Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how can we create Python environment and then install deep learning or machine learning libraries inside of such environment, and then I'll show you step by step how can we do that. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back. We can create the virtual environment by using inside of Visual Studio Terminal by just clicking here. Also, if you are using a Mac, you can search terminal, and then you can work from here, but I'm going to show you with Visual Studio under the Visual Studio Terminal, but that's are the same as that one. Okay, first we have to create a directory we want to store our environment, and to do that I start creating the virtual environment. If you are not installed the Python, you have to do that, and you can download it from the Python website, and you can search it up in your browser, and I hope you can get in the first line of search, and you can download it from there, and make sure that website is the official Python website. And make sure before we start doing that, make sure to install and download it in your device. Okay, to create environment, first we can create another folder before create our environment, to not messed up our environment. So first we can make a directory, and then I got here, I want to create it under this visual environment, and I will come back after I copy the directory. Guys, I copied the directory here, and then I paste and then also I write it the folder that I want to give it, and I will do enter. Okay, I got error. Guys, I'm back after doing some research, and it's because I got this error because I have some space here, and that's why. And to make sure the code is reading all, we have to surround it by quotation mark, and to do that I will copy under the, but I will add quotation mark. Okay, I will copy this one and paste it here. I will add another quotation mark. Okay, I create a Visual Studio and call the TensorFlow, and we can find it if I scroll down. I think I'm going to find it here. As you can see here, we create our folder, and then to activate to be inside that folder, we can say cd, and then we can say, I will just again copy it and paste it here. Yes, I'm a slow typer, I don't want to waste your time. Okay, now as you can see here, we are under TensorFlow folder. We was in Visual Studio before, but now we are in TensorFlow that we created. And to create a Visual Studio, virtual environment, we create our environment, our folder, and then also we are inside our folder, and now we can create virtual environment. To do that, we can say python 3, and to make sure if that work, we can just say tab, and then also we can show us, and then also if I wrong some spelling error, it will going to automatically give me the correct one. And then after that, python 3, we can say m, and then virtual inf, and then this is going to allow us to create the virtual environment. And then here we can give the folder name for that environment. So we can say let's say TensorFlow inf environment, and then we can do enter, and then it will going to create us. And if you can see here, I spell it wrongly. If you catch me, instead of visual, I say Visual Studio. So okay, I'll do enter, and then it create our virtual environment here under TensorFlow. We create our folder, and then also we have our virtual environment we created, and now we have to activate that environment. To do that, we have to say source, and then pass it out the environment, this activation pathway. And to do that, we can say let me drag it. Okay, we have to type this one, this bin, and activate, and then we will going to activate our environment. And to separate those names, we have to use slash. Wait. Okay, if I enter this one, now it is activated, and as you can see here, we are under the TensorFlow environment. Now we can download the package we want to download, but I have the specific thing that I want to download. You can download whatever you want. You can download pandas, other libraries, also NumPy, scikit-learn. But now what I want to use in this environment is to download TensorFlow environments, libraries, and some dependencies. So before I do that, I will going to download. You can use pip package, and I will going to upgrade it first. So I will say upgrade, and then pip. It will going to upgrade it. Okay, it was my mistake. Instead of using once whatever minus sign, I will have to use 2. So I will going to type all, and I will use 2. Okay, I'm sorry. Type here. As you can see here, it says successfully upgraded, and now I will going to download the specific package I want to download. Since I'm using a Mac, I have to download TensorFlow Mac OS, and also install TensorFlow Meta, because it will allows me to run to use the GPU for TensorFlow code. So for that reason I will going to download those two, but if you want to download another, you can download those things, but this is just for my specific device. Okay, now it will going to install those packages. This is not necessary, but I do too much work to install this, and it takes me about 1 hour, and I finally installed it. But now I'm going to show you how can we install other packages. If you want to install, all we have to do is after activated our pip install, we have to say pip install and then the package we need to install. And when I try to do this does not work. It is because it needs a specific version of Python, and that's why it doesn't work. And I have it right here. After many of struggling, I finally did it. Okay, now let me delete this terminal and let me just get back in. Okay, I want to be in the insert row. So I was going to show you. Okay, to do that we have to just do it like this one. Okay, it's because I did not surrounded by quotation mark. It's because it have space, and if it does in your file also, make sure to surround it by quotation mark. And then after that I have to say source, and then I have to do this, and I just simply copy this one. All I need to do is, okay guys, I was distracted again, but I already installed TensorFlow that needed, but now I'm going to install other libraries that I need. So I'm going to say pip install, and then for example I was going to install Panda, NumPy, Matplotlib library. I think that's just, I don't know if I spell it correctly, but it's okay. Scikit-learn, and then also what other stuff we need. Okay, now we could just for now. It's because I got error again because I have a spelling error, and I just copied from and then I will paste it here, and then I'll just enter it, and I hope you're going to download without error. Okay, it's downloading. And one thing to know, I just created this environment for my personal usage, and it will going to unable to me to run in in GPU for machine learning. If you know that you need to have a GPU, that's why I installing those specific packages, Python versions, and those version TensorFlow. Now we can test it out. For some reason, I don't know why, but it doesn't work for me. I was trying to find it in the kernel, in my environment. When I try to choose it, I did not see it, so I'm sorry for that. But in the next video, maybe this will be the part 1 video, and in the part 2 video maybe I will going to show you how that work. But that's how you can create your virtual environment, by just doing that. And then also you can install whatever you want library to install by using pip. And you can also look up in internet the pip package, how to download those packages, what name to use and whatever. And these videos that I got for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.